Yo, what's going on guys, and welcome to a bit of a different video here today. I just kind of wanted to change up my room, tidy it up a little bit, and get things, sorted out a little bit more, and a bit of a fresh look at this room, seeing as I'm going to be stuck in here for probably another few months. So, I thought I'd get everything sorted and change the room up, give it a fresh look, and sort out all these cables under my desk, as you've probably looked and vomited a little bit in your mouths. But I didn't buy anything new at all in this entire setup. Everything I just kind of changed around the room, just tidied up some rubbish, all that kind of stuff, just some junk that just gets laying around, and then I kind of set up this old TV and stuff in the corner that no one ever used for like an old school gaming setup. So it has like an old Nintendo, Xbox Classic over there as well. So I think that was pretty cool. And then for my setup, I just kind of moved things around. I had a few different ideas for designs and stuff, but this is what I kind of settled on. So it all turned out pretty good. Another thing I did new was I built a little box for my cables to sit in, as you can see, or you will see eventually. And I think I'll just let you guys enjoy the music and the time lapse and stuff. Alright, so here we are, guys. The room is completely finished. As you can see here, it's kind of set up the TV and stuff where like kind of rotate it around. Set it up, as I said, with that old gaming kind of setup. Has like little, you know, cube game things that you can play, little puzzles. Got the Nintendo, the classic Xbox. I'm not sure really what size this TV is, but it's there. It's good. It's got its job done. We have a couple of Wii things over there. I don't have the Wii at the moment, but it's still there. We got a nice charging cable because I thought, you know, you need charging cables when you're over here, and there we go. You can just, you know, slide it back into its little slot there. It keeps it out of the way, nice and tidy. We got a nice touch lamp there, just a cheap one from Kmart, and that's they're pretty much done. We got the fan, you know, controllers sitting on a little side table there. That was kind of like my mum's old thing. That's meant to say "but first coffee," but they didn't come with enough letters. And yeah, this is all pretty much still the same for my setup video, which I can link up below, above, I guess. And yeah, that's pretty much all this, you know, the old toys down my finger there, pretty stupid. And yeah, that's like, you know, Pokemon, love it, why not? Overwatch, got some Dragon Ball Z and all that kind of stuff. And this here is the setup. So I moved it across to this like back wall, which is already kind of like feature painted, I suppose. And those are my paintings up there on the wall as well. And yeah, I don't know, I kind of really like it. It's really tidy, I enjoy it. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. If you did, you know, as usual, please leave a like, subscribe, ring the notification bell, all that good stuff. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Later.